Good morning. So I'm about to go to work right now, and my work is an hour away. So I might play some tunes. I don't know yet, but yeah, that's about it. I don't know what else to say, except for that I'm going to work and I'm drinking my smoothie that my mommy made me. And also it's really hot outside, so I'm gonna get going. So it's a couple hours later and I'm home now. The drive back was pretty irritating because it was like really long, but it was fine, or that's what she said. I think I'm gonna edit a little bit of this vlog, and then I'm also going to edit some stuff for the pictures I took, and then I'm also going to tutor my sister. So okay, so right now I'm packing for like the little sleepover thing that we're having for my friend's birthday. I basically just packed a bunch of toiletries, so basically I just have some like deodorant, a toothbrush, toothpaste, makeup remover wipes, even though I'm not really wearing any, face wash, and lotion. I decided to bring a little face mask along because I only use the 4 face mask. So in case we do face masks, I just want to use the one that I know doesn't break my skin out. And then I'm just taking some pajamas. Really ugly. Hockey? She's the pretty one, I'm sorry. An H&M. You see yourself? Yeah. You cut the video before. Which one? I don't know. She said, yeah.
I have a back problem.
What were you making fun of me, basically?
Actually, you don't know.
It was all occasionally.
Oh, we look like we're in jail.
I have back problems.